All right, we're at 1230 5th Avenue North again. Well, this is 1240 5th Avenue North. Separate sewer lines here. I suspected that they went together, but it does not look to be the case. So coming back from the main here, this is original 6-inch concrete pipe. Yeah, just a second. I'm making this recording here. Still in concrete there. Got some root intrusion. Heavy root intrusion there.
On this side?
Yep.
So this has its own clean out?
Yep. And then coming back through the PVC here. And eventually up out of the pipe here. There is the clean out. Okay.
So this one's not linked to that one?